Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. As you can tell, still suffering from allergies, migraines, you name it, I have it. So I am still so far behind in boxes and I just wanted to catch up. I don't know how I did this, but I managed to collect like 5 months of single swag. So I am not going to inundate you with 5 months of single swag. I'm going to do a couple videos. So I'll do video 1 of single swag and video 2 of single swag. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you like it enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and hit the like button if you like the video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support and sticking with me through these hard times of health issues. So, I really don't know where to begin. I think I have, wait for it, December's box. And just a little to get ahead of myself, single swag always puts like a little treat in their box, and it's a very good treat. So I have been sitting up all night. I don't want this treat to go to waste. So I have been getting into them. I've kind of been getting all my boxes ready so when I did feel better, I could open them. Well, since I know there's a treat in them, I have gotten into 1 or 2 of these treats. So a couple of these boxes are minus the treat. And tell me who doesn't eat their treats. So the first box is, this is the January, I think there was a December box. So I hope you guys are all feeling good. I know that they're giving out the shots like everywhere. So I don't know if you're one of those that want to get the shot or don't want to get the vaccine. So if you got it or not. They're having a tough time in Europe doing the vaccine. So my daughter actually, that lives in Germany, is coming in June so that her and her husband can get the vaccine because they do travel a lot. They've already had the virus, but they want to get the vaccine. So I have December's box. So I'm not sure if I ate the treat out of this. So it comes very nicely wrapped. And you can get these boxes like 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or just one time. But they always have coupons for like 35 to 40% off. So it brings the box down to like $22, $23. So the price on these boxes is just awesome. And they have a little bit of everything in these boxes. So the first thing that I see is Goddess Sea Minerals Pomegranate Scented Bath Bombs. Now, I'm not a big bath taker, so, but they do smell good. But my daughter-in-law who lives in Chicago has this huge tub, and my son-in-law set a TV over it so that she could just soak. She is a nurse in a hospital. She works a 12-hour shift at night, so she is just exhausted. So she will sit there and soak in the tub. So I always tell her whenever I get the bath soaks, I will ship them off to her. So it is going to be her birthday, so I can package these up because I think this is a light scent that she will like. So I will send those off. My daughter in Germany does not have a bathtub, so there will be no fighting. And then the next thing is, I think it might be jewelry. They always put one jewelry item in here. Now, 50–60% of the time, I'm not crazy about it. I have passed them on to some of my YouTube people, because it isn't something I would wear, but I would want somebody to get enjoyment in it. And I'm not sure. It looks like a necklace. I don't want to unwrap it. I don't see a picture. It's turquoise, so it fits right here in Arizona. So I do have a mother and a sister that live here, and my sister, who takes care of my mother, she actually works in Old Scottsdale. So I don't know if any of you have been to Arizona, but they have a town called Old Scottsdale, and it has all those fun little gift shops. And it has, you can ride a carriage ride around Scottsdale, the restaurants, the bars, and they've opened it back up somewhat. It has art galleries. It's a lot of fun to go there. And she works in a gift shop there, so she dresses up very nice to work in her gift shop, which of course sells jewelry and things like that. But I did open it because I know I would give it to her. And it's actually very nice. It is gold, and I'm not really a gold wearer. I'm more of a silver wearer. But that is really nice, and I know my sister will like it. So far I've got little gifts to spread around. That's what's great about these boxes. If it's something that you don't like, chances are you know somebody that does. Even if it's a friend. The hardest one to please in my family is my daughter, who lives in Germany, because it's not like I could just stick it in the mail and it gets to her. Oh, I forgot to give you the prices. So, the bath bombs, Sea Mineral Pomegranate bath bombs, they retail for $18 for a set of 4. And the necklace, it's called the Aqua Beaded Lariat, retails for $64, and their jewelry always retails high. I don't know why, but it always retails high. And I obviously didn't get in this box because it's the Choco Stroop Water. It's got caramel in it. And what I do with these is I put them in a little bag and I hide them so that my boyfriend doesn't find them. So, because he would just munch out on these. And I think he's kind of learning that I do get treats in boxes, because he'll ask me, did that box come with a treat? The next item is by Suey, Replenishing Cucumber Mist. And I do like these. As many mists as we get in boxes, there's no way I could go through them. But what happens is when we travel in the summer, when we go to the beaches or the ocean, I do bring like 2 or 3 with me for the girls, so that when we're sitting out there, me sitting out in the shade, them sitting out in the sun, we have something to cool ourselves off. So it is nice. And I don't know if I told you, but this year we are taking, I don't know, like 3 weeks or a month, and we're going off to Sturgis. So that's going to be quite, we're not riding there, we're towing or trailering our bikes, and then we're going to be there. So this kind of mist really helps. And the Replenishing Cucumber Mist retails for $20. The next thing in the box is by Lustro, and it's a glow primer. Oh, let's check that out. Today, I am wearing, and I posted a Macy's video, and we got that, I think it's the YBF, and we got a face primer, and I just love that stuff. I put it on today, and your makeup, your foundation just goes on super, super nice. So let's see what we got here after you take off all the plastic. So tell me what you guys are doing this weekend, what you've been doing if you have kids to keep them busy. So this just must be a base primer, base illuminator. So you must put this on before. Wow. They'll see you coming in the door. So this is the hand. Can you see it glowing? So that's nice. Oh, it smells really good. Because my eyes are so dry from my allergies, I didn't want to spray anything. And wow, it smells good. The glow primer is $18. And I said this box is a great value. And if anything, you can gift a couple of these items. And I have drawers where I have for gifts, where I have for my giveaways. As I said, I have my mom and my sister that live out here. Don't see my mom that much because of the virus, but she did get her shots. So she's just, you know, like all over the place now. She goes to exercise class. She's just, you know, all over the place. My sister hasn't gotten her shot though, but I think she's going to, because in Arizona they kind of opened it up to everybody. The next thing, wow, is a wallet by Sienna, and this is a nice one. These are the kind I grab for all the time when we go riding, because I can just put my credit cards, my driver's license. Oh my God, it has a strap. So you can just put it on your wrist. Obviously it doesn't fit my cell phone, but you know, I just leave it in the bike anyway. And it's I don't know what color it says it is. The Agua, no, it's not that. The Blakely wallet with detachable wrist strap, and it's $38. I don't know what color. It's kind of a salmon. Again, it would make a super gift. Again, great for a giveaway. The one that I'm currently using now, I don't have my purse near me. It's a gold one. We got in one of our boxes. And I use that one all the time to where I'm beating it up. So I really like that. And we got more socks. So when you come home from work, or if you're home during the day, do you wear socks? Do you walk around barefoot? I usually walk around barefoot, but during the winter months here, it does get a little cold. So these are the perfect socks that I put on. Unfortunately, when I wash them, I usually lose one. So these are the perfect socks. And these socks, these are like a lavender, pink lavender. And they retail, believe it or not, for $16. And I'm thinking there's only one pair in here. So again, I think I paid $22 or $23 for the box, so just the pair of socks. Okay then, and we have one more item in here. Dream big, be grateful, laugh a lot, love yourself. And it looks like, because it's dated, it's a 2021 planner. And I can't get into it. So what did you think of the box so far? I thought, of course, it's from back in December. And I think, you know, a lot of these subscription boxes, you can go back and order older boxes. You can do that, I know, with BoxyCharm. You can do that with Ipsy. A lot of the Crate Joy boxes, you can go back and order the older subscription boxes if they haven't sold out. So it is good to know that if there's something that you like, and usually there's a few dollars off if you order an older box. So this is the, so it's got kind of a glare. There's notes, and yes, there is a calendar. I haven't pulled out my calendar for this year. There's more notes than there is calendar. So here's like April's calendar. So, and it actually would fit in my purse. And this calendar, the planner is $24. So the retail value of this box is $202. So what'd you think of that? I mean, again, I paid $23, and it says everything is 50% off retail if you shop their marketplace. So there is coupons. I have a link where you can get $15 off. So yeah, tell me what you thought of this box. Sorry, I'm still trying to nurse myself back, but we got the planner, we got the mist, which is great, we got the cookie, we got this necklace, which is really nice, we got the bath, socks, the primer that smells really good, and this really nice wallet. So thank you so much for taking time out. I thought I would put 2 in today, but obviously it's going to be too long. So I'll just keep doing these and throwing them in my lineup. And you guys have an awesome day.